Hey budget besties, welcome back to the channel. I'm Shawnee and I'm sharing my journey to financial freedom $1 at a time. Around here, we don't compare, we don't judge, we just mind our money and keep it real. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and tap that like button, drop a comment and subscribe. It's a free way to help other people find this space. In today's video, we are going to be doing two things. We're going to be cash stuffing this savings challenge here that I got 5 on it, and we are going to be opening up some Happy Mail. So let's get started with stuffing this savings challenge right here. So I have $80 in $5 bills, and what I did was I had some extra money on the side, and I used that money to buy back the $5 bills. And so let's say it was $20 worth of $5 inside of an envelope. I would just replace it with 2 10s or 20 and take the 5s out. So I hope that makes sense. All right, we got the first one there. How has everybody been? I have been fine. I've just been having more doctor's appointments in the last 2-3 weeks than I've ever had in my life. So I know I briefly shared before that I've been having some issues with my left shoulder. I don't know how I injured it, but I have been going to PT and that is adding up and quickly. And PT has not resolved the issue. The orthopedic doctor was like, hey, I thought PT within 2 months should have resolved what I thought the issue was. And I had to go for an MRI. I'm stuck with this one. I had to go for an MRI last week. And I was not excited about it because I had to pay some money out of my HSA, but hey, that's what it's there for. And the way things are going right now, I am projected to meet my deductible here soon. So yeah, I'm thankful that I do have the HSA. I'm just hoping that I can heal my shoulder soon. And hopefully the results from the MRI does not reveal that I'm going to need surgery. This week, outside of getting the results of the MRI, I'm also supposed to have an ultrasound and have a steroid injection in my arm. If you can't tell, I am so excited about that. Not really. But yeah, tell me how you all have been. If I'm being honest, I never wanted to go get my shoulder checked out to begin with because I just already knew that this was going to be just a bunch of medical debt that I just did not want to have to deal with. So my boyfriend just kept going on and on and on and on. So to shut him up, I went, and although he was right, I also too was right because it's adding up and it's adding up so quickly. And so, yeah. So I'm going to have to start stuffing into my medical cash envelope in the event that my HSA gets low, because I've never really just had to use it this much, especially considering that we're not halfway through the year. But you know what? I am grateful that I have my HSA. And so that's saving me some grief. And if I do have to have surgery, I'm just going to, believe that God has me and not really stress about it because I am naturally a worrywart. So I am going to just not put too much negative energy into that. But anyway, yeah, that's that. And outside of that, I've had to cancel 3 of my Capital One credit cards because for some reason, every time I am asleep, I get these random notifications. So I'm that person, like, I know every penny that comes out of any account that I have because I have it set up to alert me. And somebody keeps trying to buy something from Facebook, and I keep getting these code notifications from Capital One. I don't know if the people were trying to log into my account or whatever the case was, but I had to replace all 3 cards. They only tried to get something out of 1 card. Only thing that was charged was, I guess it was like a $1 fee just to ensure that it was an active card. And so, yeah, I had to report that and have 3 new cards sent my way. And I told Capital One they might need to look into it because I asked them if they had a breach in their system, and they assured me that they did not. I'm finding that kind of hard to believe. So my tip to you all, and I typically try not to give advice because I am not an expert, but I think this is pretty good advice. Always check all of your accounts. If you are able to have alerts come to you, please do so. Even if you have bills automatically drafted, still make sure that they come out because sometimes they don't. Sometimes there may be a glitch in the system on that end. And sometimes, too, people find a way around things. Like if you have your bills drafted to come off of your card, a way that people get around getting money from you is through, you know, the checking and the routing and all of that. And I've had experience where people were trying to take small amounts of money at a time. But I'm that girl, like, you take 5 cents from me. Trust me, I know. So it happens. So just, you know, every now and then I would just make it a habit to just check your accounts to make sure everything looks like it's supposed to look, okay? And so that's that. And so this is the last $5 bill. I cannot talk. And I told you all I would stop singing, but I guess I'm going to give up that dream, okay? So far I have 1, 2, 3, almost 4 pages filled. So I am happy about that. So we're done with this. We're going to take this right here, get it out the way, and get on to opening up some Happy Meal. Okay, so this first package is from the Millennial Dollar. I have it turned this way because I do not want to dox myself. So yeah, so from the Millennial Dollar, I ordered, oh, she always gives something free. She's so adorable. So I probably would be putting this to use, like a little cute little $50 savings challenge. Isn't it adorable? So, and this little cute paper clip here. Okay, I don't know how to put this back together because I am not like one of those cutesy girls. Okay, I'm gonna set that to the side. And what I ordered from the Millennial Dollar, I ordered some of those new cash envelope placeholders. So while I'm making up all this noise, of course, I struggle with doing these on camera. Maybe I shouldn't do these too often. I ordered some more category placeholders. These are actually bigger than the original ones I have, so I hope they fit my envelope. She used to make them a little smaller, but I created some new categories, so I don't have like whatever the labels to go on the outside of the envelopes. I don't have those. I don't know how to do that type of stuff, so I just ordered this. I had already had envelopes, and so I have one for freedom that will go into my Stay Ready binder. And this is just to represent my Freedom Savings account because, you know, I'm trying to get out of student loan debt. Home improvement, there are some things that I would like to upgrade at some point. So, yeah. And then for right now, I'm going to put this, my love category, which is the love of my life. I'm going to put this category into my Reclaim My Joy binder because this person brings me joy. Boss Lady is my mom. She's also going into the Reclaiming My Joy binder. And lawn care, I am needing to be more proactive on putting money away for this. And this is going to go in my funeral binder. So that's all that I have from the Millennial Dollar. And I like these. I feel like these are a little bit bigger than the original ones I have, but that's okay. We're going to figure out how to make these fit. Hopefully they fit. So we're going to get this out the way, and we have 3 more packages. So my phone stopped recording. I don't know what just happened. I guess because people are texting me, whatever. But hopefully you all were able to see what I ordered from Creighton Stacy. We're going to go to the next one, okay? Hi, besties. It's future me. So apparently I did not record my package from Creighton Stacy because my phone kept getting interruptions. So that's one of the negatives of filming on your phone. But essentially all I ordered was 6 of these trackers that I'm going to put in certain envelopes to track the amount of money that's going in and out of my cash envelopes. And so this is just essentially, you know, what wasn't filmed. So yes, and thank you. And just know that the lighting is going to be all over the place this whole video. I'm filming in a new room and I'm trying to get used to it. And if the acoustics are a little different, I'm so sorry. Again, I'm in a new room, but back to the video. My next 2 packages are from Baddie in the Bag. I've never ordered from her. I saw that Sassy Beauty Budget has some of her products And I was like, okay, well, why not? So the first one I have from her, and making sure I'm not doxing myself again. Let's put this to the side. Okay. So, oh, I hit my head, y'all. Don't do that again, girl. This is more so again like the thank you for, ordering everything. So I am going to use these trackers here for some of the new categories that I have created, or I'm creating with these little inserts here. And I'm sure my lighting just changed because I just bumped this. I'm also filming in somewhere new. I don't think I said that. I am away from the kitchen table, so the lighting is a project right now, okay? So I ordered this cute little challenge here. I don't know if you all can see it, and I don't know if the lighting is doing its job. So tiny treasures, and you will see what envelope it ends up in. This one here is Bougie Kitty. I'm going to use this from my mom because she's bougie. Household essentials. I have rainy day. So what I'm using right now, I'm going to complete it and then use it to go for my escrow and put this rainy day tracker in there. And we have the 20. Okay, somebody called me. Okay, we're going to use the $20,000 challenge. I'm going to explain what that's for later. I am going to use the Fuzzy Fun. And of course, there are two more, the Very Good savings, and I ordered the $10 savings. And actually, I like to tell you how things feel. This actually feels like some pretty good quality, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm happy with this so far. So I'm gonna take this, put this here, and we're gonna go to the last package, okay? My last package also came from Baddies in the Bag. I hope I said this one right. This one was Baddies in the Bag too. I cannot get my lighting in this new space to really act right, so I hope you all are able to really see this video well. Hey besties, my original footage sucks, so I'm going to have to B-roll this, but I was essentially saying that I purchased this from Baddies in the Bag. I got the ideas to get this challenge watching Sassy Beauty Budget's page. If I have a list, I do have my retainer in. It is bedtime. But anyway, I wanted a 10K challenge, the original one I wanted. The lady was on maternity leave. But since I have this put together now, I just will flip through it and let you all know that this is actually pretty nice. There are 4 episodes, and each episode is $2,500 a piece, which will be the total of the 10K that you will save in the end, or I guess I will save in the end. And there are 4 trackers similar to this. I'm trying to get it into the screen. And this is a hard challenge, but I love a good challenge. And it's going to take me some while to finish it, but this is something that I have been wanting. And so I just wanted to give you some better footage. And so now future me is about to exit the chat. Just know you're going to see this introduced because I don't want to make this video too long. But yeah, so I'm going to take this and kind of move it to the side, and we're going to conclude this because this was supposed to be a quick video. And I need to figure out who keeps blowing up my phone, making this video stop. So, okay, hold on. If you've made it to the end of the video, I appreciate you for real. So go ahead and tap that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe. It's a free way to show me some love and help the channel to grow. If you've missed any previous videos, no worries. Links will be in the description and down in the cards or not down in the cards, but up in the cards if you would like to catch up. I'll be back next week for another Cash Stuffing video. And until next time, mind your money $1 at a time. I'm clocking out. Peace.